Hello guys, welcome to this video of learning the most important skills. The pandemic has hit the world real bad, and there are two kinds of people. There are people who are stuck, they're waiting for things to get normal, not realizing that maybe there's a possibility that things are never going to get normal again, and we might have to live in this world. And there's the second group of people who are actually going out there and capitalizing the situation and just minting money. They're making a killing. And we have to choose what kind of person we are going to be in this situation. I'm not going to give you tips about which company to invest in, which stocks to buy so that you can boom your business. I'm going to tell you the areas that you have to work on. These are the most important skills that you need to learn in 2020 with a world with the pandemic, with the world going through quarantine and lockdown and people suffering from diseases, wearing masks and having no idea what to do. There are people who are scared, they're panicking, they have no idea. People are going through depression, people are having a writer's block, they're not able to understand, they're not able to wrap their head around what's going on around them. So we are going to look at some productive skills that we have to learn in this world to be successful in 2020. It's time you started working on your digital skills. A lot of people have avoided digital skills for a long time. They have tried to function, they have tried to run their business, their organization without the help of technology. Even professionals working in different organizations avoid technology at all costs because they are not comfortable with it. But today, people of all ages have to get comfortable with all kinds of technology, whether it is setting up a video conference, whether it is selling your product, whether it is communicating with your clients online. You have to learn how to use the digital platform. So it's time to start brushing up your digital skills. Start learning how the internet functions, how video calls functions, how all the applications and websites functions that can help you to function better. So work on your digital skills. It could be writing a blog, it could be creating a video, it could be creating a marketing presentation for your clients. You need to be comfortable using the technology that you have at your disposal. Do you know you always complained about not having time to work on your personal skills that are important but not urgent? You know what? It's finally time to learn those skills. It is time to work on your soft skills. There are a lot of people who know that they need to work on their soft skills and then they avoid it because they are busy with their work and their project priority and deadlines. But hey, guess what? You actually have the time now to work on your soft skills. So if you suck at communication skills, go for it. Work on your communication. If you think you're bad in English, go for it. If you are having fright of the stage, if you have stage fright, work on your public speaking skills. If you lack confidence, work on building your confidence. Work on all those soft skills that you needed as a professional, as a businessman, or as a candidate. Work on how to give a good interview, how to present yourself, how to groom yourself, how to talk in front of people. Work on any of the soft skill that you had been planning to work on when you were completely busy and loaded with deadlines and tasks. Needless to say, this skill is very important. You need to work on your professional and vocational skill. You might have complained that you didn't have time to work on your professional skills. You didn't have time to brush up your hard skills, your technical skills. Well, the time is now to read all that you can, to learn all that you can. No matter who you are, you could be a car racer, you could be a doctor, you could be a lawyer, you could be an IT engineer, or you could be just anyone else. It is important to work on your skills because there's no limit to the knowledge of your field, and it is definitely the survival of the fittest. You have to work on your professional skills. You need to upgrade the knowledge about the field that you are in. All work and no play makes Jack a dull boy. So obviously, just focusing on your core skills is not going to work. You have to pick up a hobby. This is one of the crucial and essential thing that you have to pick up. You have to pick up a creative hobby. A creative hobby is going to keep you happy, it's going to keep you engaged, it's going to give you a lot of ideas that are going to help you with your work and your life. It could be pottery, it could be painting, it could be sketching, it could be cooking, it could be dancing or singing, it could be photography, videography, it could be blogging, it could be writing. Pick up a hobby that's going to help you bring out your creativity. It will give you a happier state of mind. You need to work on your marketing and salesmanship. You know what? We all need to sell things. Whether you are a candidate, whether you're an employee, whether you're a businessman or you are a CEO, we all are selling things. Either we are selling a product or we are selling a skill, or ultimately we're selling ourselves. We're selling the skills that we have. So we need to work on selling those skills, marketing those skills effectively, so people would want to buy them. People would want to go for it. Marketing skills include, if you're a businessman, you need to work on how you can market your product. So you need to learn how you can sell products. And today the social media has taken over. So it is important to learn how you can sell your product online and in the right way, because there's a huge competition, there's an abundance of people selling different things. So learn how your product stands out from the rest. For learning how to market your product, you can learn applications where you have to edit your photos, creating the right kind of advertisement, creating the right kind of design for your ad, knowing where to put it at the right time is very important. Say if you are not a businessman and you're not selling a product, then it is important to sell yourself. And how will you sell yourself? That will be in form of a CV. So design your CV that stands out. Today everyone is digitally competing against each other, and there are thousands of CVs pouring in every HR office, and your CV needs to stand out. Majority of the CVs have the same boring crap written on it. What are the hobbies? Traveling and watching TV and reading. What is the aim? The aim is to grow better, to be able to contribute in the growth of the organization. So these are some boring sentences that every CV has. Gone are those days when people used to have those black and white CVs which had a lot of text material. It had all the details about what you did, where you studied, what work you've done from what year to what year. Gone are those days when you know those boring CVs would work. Today people look for one-page CV, a page that summarizes everything that you are and everything that you have done. One-page CV is something that you have to work on. Use applications like Canva and Pinterest to build and enhance your CVs. Make a 21st century CV that stands out from the rest of them. It should be a short, small CV that is very easy to read and it immediately convinces people. Here's an example of how your CV should look like. Revamp and transform your CV completely so it becomes attractive to the job hunters. Not just the CV, but even when you are selling yourself, so you need to learn how advertisement works. So advertising your content, designing it, video editing, making a video advertisement, making a pictorial advertisement, both these kinds of ads are important. Okay, so then the next skill that we need to learn is not just skill, it is actually knowledge, real knowledge about health, about fitness, about nutrition, about workout, and about the body. It is very important in this world. It is very important to know how our body functions. We all know that it is important to work out. I don't know whether you must be working out or not, but it is important to know how nutritions work, knowing how the workout is going to affect your body, how it is going to improve your body, knowing how your metabolism works, how your digestive system works. It is important to learn how your food will help you fight off those viruses by strengthening your immune system. Learning how the pandemic spreads. So understanding the rhythm of your body, what are the sleep cycles that you require. Lastly, it is important to learn how you can take care of your mental health. A lot of people might be suffering from depression. They might be going through a phase that they have never seen before. They are scared, they're afraid, they're panicking, and they don't know whether they can talk to people or not. You don't know who is depressed around you. So learning about mental health is important. Working on your mental health is important. It's important to cultivate habits that will help you fight back depression. Reading is one hobby that you can pick up. Start reading. Reading is an ultimate hobby that enhances your thoughts. It helps you fight your weaker thoughts and gives you the motivation, the courage, the power that you need when you are really weak and when you are facing dark times, when you are low, when you have fallen down. Reading is going to be your companion. Spending time with people around you, talking to them, addressing your issues, working on your issues. These are the things that we have to learn in the 21st century to survive, to thrive, to live better, and to be happier, to be more successful in our personal life as well as our professional life. So the skills that we look today, which are worth learning in today's time, are our personal skills, professional skills, soft skills, digital skills, self-help skills, artistic and creative skills, knowledge about health, fitness, diet, nutrition, and mental health. This is Utkarsh. I hope you liked this video. If you found the contents of this video useful to you, please share it with a family member that you care about, a friend who really needs these skills. Please remember to subscribe this channel and like the video. Thank you for watching. Have a good week. I'll see you next week.